Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Cloudflare Turnstile for bot protection in no-code apps. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update Cloudflare Turnstile for bot protection in your no-code apps, start by logging into your Cloudflare account. Navigate to your Cloudflare dashboard. Select the website where you want to update Turnstile. In the sidebar, click on the Firewall option. Scroll down to find the Bots section. Click on Settings under the Bots section. Locate the Turnstile settings within the Bots menu. Check if your current Turnstile key is up to date. If it's outdated, generate a new Turnstile key by clicking on the Generate Key button. Copy the new public key provided by Cloudflare. Next, open your no-code app development platform. Navigate to the section where you manage external APIs or webhooks. Find the area where you can integrate Cloudflare Turnstile. Paste the new public key into the designated field. Save your changes to ensure the new key is applied. Now, test the integration to ensure it's working correctly. Open a new browser window and visit your app. Attempt to perform an action that requires Turnstile verification. Check if the Turnstile verification prompt appears as expected. Complete the verification process to confirm it's functioning effectively. Once confirmed, monitor your app for any bot-related activities. If everything is working smoothly, you have successfully updated Cloudflare Turnstile for bot protection. Consider setting a reminder to review your Turnstile settings periodically. This will help maintain optimal bot protection in your no-code apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.